While many of us were focused on Donald Trump being shot over the weekend, Israel was committing several massacres, killing over 200 people. Here's everything you need to know. On Saturday, at least 141 Palestinians were killed and 300 wounded, according to Gaza's health ministry, when Israel attacked a designated safe zone. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu justified the attack.
מדינת ישראל, באמצעות צה"ל והשב"כ, תקפה היום בעזה במטרה לסכל את מוחמד דף ואת סגנו רפה סלאמה. עדיין אין ודאות מוחלטת שהשניים סוכלו.
But senior Hamas official al-Zahra called the claim nonsense. The Nasser medical facility is no longer functioning, and the al-Kuwaiti field hospital is overwhelmed with wounded and struggling due to medical supply shortages. Hospitals are receiving limited fuel supplies from humanitarian organizations, barely enough to last a couple of days. Shortly after al-Mawasi attack, at least 22 Palestinians were killed in an Israeli strike on a prayer hall in a Shati refugee camp. On Sunday, 17 Palestinians were killed and more than 80 people wounded in an Israeli airstrike on an Unrwa school housing forcibly displaced Palestinians in the Nuseirat refugee camp, according to the government media office. It's the fifth attack in a school-turned-shelter in the past 8 days. In the early hours of Monday, an attack on al-Maghazi refugee camp resulted in the deaths of at least 5 Palestinians. 3 of the victims were children. The strike targeted residential buildings, and there are reports that helicopters opened fire near Deir al-Balah, where 800,000 Palestinians had sought refuge. Al Jazeera Arabic reported intense gunfire from Israeli helicopter gunships northwest of the az-Zahra area in central Gaza. More than 70,000 Palestinians are infected with hepatitis, and almost all of Gaza's population of more than 2 million has been displaced, some multiple times in the last 9 months.